Alright, this is a 1967 Mustang Coupe. Was just going to a scrapyard to get some scrap metal for a project, and I saw this. It looked like it was taken apart for some good parts, and it was probably going to be cut up and used, just cut up and taken apart. What happened is it looks like the vinyl top rotted out. It was a project car. Somebody started some work on it, and that guy gave up or changed their mind. I have all the parts. The guy that took all the parts off, he had them set aside, and there was a lot of parts inside the car that we picked up that same day that I shook hands and bought it with cash. As you can see, it was a car with deluxe interior. It's a C code. It's a 289 two-barrel car originally. He said it had a 302 in it when he got it. He kept the motor, kept the trans, kept the rear end, and just one of these things that my daughter Jada and I are going to put all the parts back on, see what we can do, make it look a little better, and put it alongside the other little projects that we're going to get to. It'll need a new roof. That's not a hard thing to do nowadays. It'll need some glass, but all the little pieces that you see missing, I have them. Stay tuned.